Nothing super crazy going on today. We're just going to shoot a little unboxing video of this guy right here, a Seagate 5TB hard drive, USB 3.0. The reason I got this one is to back up some business stuff. I already have this one, which is a Western Digital 4TB. I've about filled half that up. I basically just wanted another one for keeping stuff separate. I'm just going to open this guy up, show you what's inside, and that's pretty much it.
Up. Ooh, it's got some little flappy flaps. Bottom of the box. Keep it raised up. Don't know why we need that, but we do. Los instrucciones. Apparently we get some free Creative Cloud for 2 months with this guy and plastic packaging.
Seagate, not to be confused with Watergate.
Cycle that, friends. There it is. And our cord.
By the time we are recording this guy will run you about $120 on Amazon. So at 5TB, that's like $20 a terabyte. Math. I can do it sometimes. Something to keep in mind with hard drives reviews. For the most part, pretty good. For this model, we have 4 stars, over 16,675 customers. As with any hard drive, there's always the possibility of failure. Most of the people who gave it a 1 star lost everything, which sucks. Can very likely happen, which is why you should keep things on multiple places, whether across multiple of these, a cloud, or a RAID system. Now, the reason that I bought this one, and I have my other one, 4TB guy, there's like $99 on Amazon. This was to keep an extra copy of the same files and to keep some business stuff separate on here. Could have bought another Western Digital. In fact, I wanted to, but figured I might as well try something else as long as I have to buy another one. So for me, this is a short-term solution until I get set up with a RAID system. If you don't know what a RAID system is, just search it up in the search bar. There's all types of good stuff out there on RAID, what RAID is, what it does, all that sort of things. But for an average of $20 per terabyte, that's amazing. Oh, hey, let me show you something. I gotta find it. This thing here, 1 terabyte. I bought this thing back in like 2010, before I went off to college. Maybe it was 2009. Anyway, almost a decade ago. It was on sale. It was normally $140. I got it on Black Friday for like $85. 1 terabyte, USB 2.0, slower, definitely slower, real slow. Anyway, that's like $80 a terabyte compared to $20 a terabyte, which you can get now. And this is way smaller. They don't require a power supply. This guy does, would hear it. Whenever you're transferring files, it'd be like, yeah, just like that. Super annoying. It's got a little bit of weight to it. I don't know exactly what we're at, a pound or 2. This thing, man, that's gotta be like 8 or 9 pounds. Weighs as much as like 3 MacBook Pros. Tech workout, do those curls. It's a nerd workout, curling my hard drives from the early 2000s. Those curls. So there you have it. Now you know what's in the box. I'm gonna plug it in, format it. All that hard drivey stuff you gotta set up whenever you do it. Yeah.